Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to warm up your fingers fast. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have fingers and you want to warm them up fast, this is the video for you. Super duper simple tutorial, and it'll be also a full tutorial because I'll be going over basically everything that you need to be doing. Now, when I talk about warming up your fingers fast, I'm not talking about getting them to be warm. And maybe I should be doing a separate video about that because right now I'm sitting in my van and it's a little bit chilly. So maybe I'll do a separate video about that in the future. But for this specific piece of content, when I'm talking about warming up your fingers, I'm talking about getting them ready for action. So let's say you're going to play like the trumpet, or you're going to play a musical instrument that uses your fingers and you want to get them ready to play that instrument. That's what I'm talking about in terms of warming them up. Let's say you're going to play a sport and that sport relies on your fingers and your finger movements. And you want them to be ready. That's what I'm talking about with regards to warming them up. So I'm talking about getting them ready for action, okay? So how do you do it? Well, it's a very simple thing that you should do. Basically, what I would recommend, this is what I would do if I had to warm up my fingers for doing something, okay? I would recommend doing this, and like I said, I'm not a professional, but this is what I would do for myself if I wanted to warm up my own fingers to get them ready for action. This is exactly what I would do. I would take my hands, I would open my hands up, so spread my fingers out as much as I can, pull them back as much as I can, and then I would make a nice clenched fist with both my hands. Open them up, clenched fist. Open them up, clenched fist. And you can do longer for each hold, right? But that's the idea. That's the first part. And then I would move on to the next part, which is almost like a waving motion like this. And this is sort of getting the fingers ready individually, as you can see. And yours might look a little bit different, but the idea is very simple. It's a waving motion where I'm going all the way back and then bringing them in. All the way back and then bringing them in. And that's what I would do. I would do those movements back and forth. So I do the opening and the clenched fists back and forth like that. And then I would go into the wave motion like that, okay? And I would just do that over and over again. And hopefully, by the end of it, my fingers would be nice and warmed up and would be ready for action. I would just go back and forth between those movements over and over and over again. And that's it. That's what I would do. That's sort of what I would do if I wanted to warm up my fingers. That's sort of my recommendation. I'm not a professional by any means, but that's what I would do myself. So I figured that I would share that with you in this video tutorial. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, but I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.